Struggling to connect Google Tag Manager to your hosting or site? In just 4 minutes, I will show you exactly how to do it without any coding. No messing around with theme files, no copying confusing scripts into your header, just a clean, straightforward setup inside the hosting or builder itself. So here is the plan. We are going to open your hosting or website builder, find the Apps section, and paste your Google Tag Manager container ID. That is it. Let us start. Go ahead and open your site inside the hosting or website builder. This is the editing view you use whenever you make changes to your pages. It should be the first thing you see when you log in and click to edit your site. Now, find the menu labeled More. It is usually located in the sidebar or the top navigation bar, depending on your theme. Click on that. From that drop-down menu, select Apps. This is the area where you add third-party tools and integrations to your site. Think of it as your hub for connecting things like analytics, chat widgets, and yes, Google Tag Manager. Scroll through the list until you find Google Tag Manager and click on it. Hostinger makes it easy. Here they have a dedicated spot for it, which saves you from having to paste raw code snippets. Now you are going to see a notice about tracking consent. Read this carefully. It says this integration uses tracking technologies, and to stay compliant with privacy laws, you need to manage tracking consent with a cookie banner. Hostinger has its own built-in banner, or you can use a third-party tool. Do not skip this. You do not want to run Google Ads or track conversions only to get hit with a privacy violation later. Just acknowledge the notice and move forward. Alright, you will now see an input field labeled Google Tag Manager Container ID. Click on that field. If you are not sure where to find your ID, do not worry. Click the highlight button right next to the field. It will give you a visual clue about where to look. And here is the really important part. You need to switch over to your Google Tag Manager account. Open a new tab or window and log in to tagmanager.google.com. In your GTM dashboard, look at the top of the Workspace section. Your container ID will be displayed right there, formatted as GTM followed by a dash and a series of letters and numbers. It looks something like GTM-ABCDF. That is the ID we need. Copy that entire ID. Be careful to get the whole thing, including the hyphen and the letters. A missing character will break the integration. Now switch back to your Hosting or Builder tab and paste that container ID into the field. Click Save or Apply to confirm the integration. This might take a moment to process. Once it saves, you want to make sure it actually works. The best way to do that is to use Google Tag Manager's preview mode. Open your live site in another tab, and then click the Preview button in your GTM workspace. If you see the GTM debug panel pop up at the bottom of your site, you are all set. The connection is live and ready to track conversions. And that is it. You went from having no tracking setup and missing valuable analytics to having Google Tag Manager fully integrated and ready to optimize your campaigns. You did not touch a single line of code. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one.